Nih,
Apa surprise? Tambah kamu itu lah, singkang am tas ni.
Kublai yepi, mangau Melvin Mukim, naka film Haling Kabneng. Nakumen ban pentip shepi, ba nginwan rab yang sashi sini ka film, ha ususu tam auditorium, naruga kapra terik, adu laiphuai terik ubenai jemang. Ki por kilong, kan arbaji mensngi, san baji janmiet, bat hanyo baji demiet. Turmen banyak dua biang yepi sashi sin.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Kot Admission nakamta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka By Admission ka Badunatam, but 6% ka Jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Hadian baka election sa kayong dorbar tawaan hajala Assam kalakut, ka Sarkar Meghalaya kala temu ban pensedang biang, ya ka Jingeh keren Pynbeit put, kanang ban wengi kendrum kenram, badi ki Jingeh baki pat ba ki basa, hakas nong Lapangap, ki Jumat nakapor siya kapor, nakajing siya pendik, hay karbi ki basa hakas nong tapat. Uno ay Ktien yung Sarkar MDE uba wailat miki sila, hakajing keren biglat patay kubor, hakakanday trip jemang ajo pon rio. Ulaong, baka Jingeh yung hakas nong Lapangap, kamday syuk barang thamay, bat ulaong ru, baka Jing pamla banya Pynbeit, ya ki Jingeh kaday namar baka karbi, Anglong Autonomous Council, kajukala Ktien Tang po Khyndiat Kynta, bala Shimrai haki Jingeh keren.
This is not happening for the first time. In the past also several incidents has happened, and then we have approached the Assam government, and like you under the MDA government, as you all know that we have really pushed for the border issue, and out of the 12 areas of difference, now 6 have been we have solved. So this another 6 which are very sensitive. So last time also this if you remember during the harvest time, they were not allowed. So from the government also we pursued the matter, and we had a talk with the Assam government, and then later on then they were allowed to harvest the crops. So this time also the negotiation is on, and our DC, our SP are in close contact with each other. But the thing is here that especially from the Karbi Anglong area, especially from this Karbi Anglong District Council, now because they have been changing their statement again and again. No doubt we have come in a verbal agreement. Okay, we'll do this. But in a matter of hours, then they change again. No, we cannot do like this. So that is what we are facing the challenges right now. But thankfully now I think since all this time, because as you all know that there was an election in Assam, so that's why we have to stop the talks of on the border issue. So now I'm now because the election is over, so they have now we have a government there. So definitely from the government we will start again the talks, the negotiation with the Assam government, and let's hope that we'll come up with a mutual agreement or a solution on this. From the day one when we start to resolve the border issue, when we start the talk with the negotiation with the Assam government, our commitment was to resolve it completely, all the 12 areas of difference. So that is our aim, our goal. So definitely this also our target is that we should completely solve it. But as you all know that the most difficult part is to decide, and then and especially with the people living there. So it's not easy, but the government is committed and will continue to talk. But what our belief is that if we sit and discuss and talk, so I think reasonable solution will definitely come.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.